State the coordinates of the y-intercept and the equation of the asymptote for the following. Well, the y-intercept is always when x equals 0. So in this case, y is going to be 2e to the 0 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So 0, 3 would be the y-intercept. Now, the plus 1 here tells us that this has moved up 1 unit from the standard curve. So y equals 1 is the asymptote. Now, the other way you can think about that is just think about when x is very large negative number. When x is large and negative, e to that number is going to be very small, close to 0. So 2 times 0 is effectively 0. And therefore, we're left with 1 here. Now, for this one, if x is equal to 0, then y is just going to be e to the 0, which is 1. So 0, 1, the same as the standard exponential. And for this one here, with nothing added out here at all, that's just going to be y equals 0, or if you like, the x-axis. Since it's a negative power, e to the negative 3x, the graph will actually go this way, and it will be the positive portion of the x-axis that has the asymptote, or is the asymptote, I should say. So finally for this one, if we put x equal to 0, y is going to be 10 take away e to the 0, which is 9. So we'll get 0, 9. Now, what about the asymptote? Well, once again, think about the fact that when, in this case, since it's negative 2x, when x is a large positive number, we'll have e to a very large negative number. So this bit will essentially be 0. So 10, y equals 10, would be the asymptote. Now, if you were to sketch this one or use graphing software, what you would find is that, remember, this is an e to the negative 2x. So you would have y equals 10 here as the asymptote, and the graph would actually go this way and curve down there, and obviously this isn't to scale, but this intercept here would be at 9,